What is up, YouTube? It's Josh from Auto Frenzy. In today's video, we're going to talk about, will the Toyota Land Cruiser, the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser, replace the 4Runner in America? And in my opinion, I think it will. So let's get right into it. The reason why I think it will replace the 4Runner is because the 4Runner is going to be built to be a serious off-roader, in my opinion. I think we will get a revealing in 2024 for the 2025 model year. I think it will be just like the Tacoma, Sequoia, and the Tundra. That's what Toyota said. It will be inspired by those three vehicles, but I think it will mostly resemble the Tacoma, and I think it will be a serious off-roader. Right now we have the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser, but it's not in a serious off-roading form. Uh it does have the 2.4 liter four cylinder engine with a hybrid system, which gives it good gas mileage, good MPGs, and it has 326 horsepower. Honestly, I like the Land Cruiser. I have seen some videos where I think AI lifted it and put some bigger tires and made it look more off-road ready. But I don't know. Like the wheel arches on the side of the Land Cruiser, it doesn't look like it will fit bigger tires. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe once you lift it, but I think definitely for the 4Runner, it will be like serious off-roading, especially to tackle that Bronco. I'm not gonna lie, I seen one today and it looks so crazy. I actually seen a couple. I seen a built one. They added amber lights and a ladder, all these other things, and I almost got ran over by one with a Sasquatch package. So sadly, that had almost had to happen, but gladly I'm okay. But anyways, guys, yeah, the Toyota Land Cruiser, I think this will be like a vehicle just to build up, like a soft off-roader. You know what I mean? Like a beginner's off-roader. I don't know if we're gonna get like a GR version in the future, uh or like a different version, maybe. I don't know. But as far as I know, the most off-road capable version of the Land Cruiser is the first edition. And yeah, it don't look that bad, but I don't know. I don't know if it were. I think so. It would replace it as like a two-row, uh, simple off-roader, because I think the TRD Pro's drivetrain is very similar to like the Land Cruiser base drivetrain that it came out with. If you know what I mean, it has crawl control, as standard, for high, for low, all those things, just like the TRD Pro. And the TRD Pro is heavily built. And this is like the revealing model, the launch model, launch edition, like of the Land Cruiser, if you know what I mean. So I think the new 4Runner will definitely have more horsepower, more off-road capabilities, and it would just look more like a monster, ready, off-road ready. I hope it could compete with the Bronco and the Wrangler. And yeah, that's all for this video. My name is Josh from Auto Frenzy. If you guys have anything to say, leave it in the comment section down below. Let me hear your thoughts and opinions. Shout out to the Land Cruiser. I'm out.